Steve, buying a rental car is like marrying a hooker. I get that comment probably the most out of any comment. And what most people don't understand is rental companies maintain their vehicles meticulously. Every time they're rented, they come back, they clean them, and they make sure they don't need any service. And if it does need service, they do it right on the dot at the service intervals. See, buying a rental car is a really good option if you are someone who is looking for financing. Because these vehicles are only a year or two old, banks offer better interest rates, longer terms, and don't require any down payment in most cases. And these are the best option if you are someone who has less than perfect credit. Hey, I'm Steve with Driving with Steve, and for the last 5 years, I've helped people just like you get into vehicles just like that, and I make it super easy. All you have to do, click the link below, answer a couple of quick questions on my online form, and we'll be in touch and show you vehicle options that are in your budget and that you can be pre-approved for. Super easy, click the link below, and we'll be in touch shortly.